Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out train schedules on the Indian Railway application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the application on your phone. After that, go to your home page by tapping on the home button down below on the left side corner of the screen, and after that you should tap on train schedules and coach in the middle of the screen, and after that you should search for a train either by typing in its name or its number into the search bar at the top of the screen. Select it and tap on the Get Schedule button. And here you can find the schedule. Here you can see the station name on the left side, the arrival, departure distance, delay if there's any delay. Here you can see day 2, and if you want to, you can check out the route map option as well by tapping on it. So here you can find the stops and stations on the map indicated with these icons. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.